Hello, and welcome back to Thoughtlish. Today, we are not just going to learn English words. We are going to live a full day in English. You listen to other videos where you just repeat sentences like a robot, but here, we do things differently. We connect the words to your senses, to what you see, what you hear, and how you feel. Why? Because when you attach a feeling to a word, you never forget it. We will walk through a full daily routine: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. I will say a sentence about my day, then I will pause. In that silence, I want you to repeat the sentence out loud, and I want you to imagine it is happening to you right now. Let's take a deep breath, close your eyes for a second, and let's begin our day. It is early morning. The sun is soft. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but sometimes I wake up earlier when the house is quiet. I turn off my alarm and stretch my arms. I don't get up immediately. I take a moment to think. Feel the warmth of the bed. It is comfortable. Finally, I get out of bed and put on my slippers. I walk to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and splash cold water on my face. The cold water makes me feel awake. Now, let's go to the kitchen. I cannot start my day without coffee. I pour a hot cup and smell the aroma. I sit by the window and watch the world wake up. Sometimes I eat toast and eggs for breakfast. Other times, I just have a banana or some cereal. I try not to look at my phone during breakfast. I want my mind to be calm before the busy day begins. Now, I am ready. I get dressed and check my bag. Keys, phone, wallet. I have everything. I open the door and step outside. Now it is time to focus. Whether you go to work or school or stay at home, the afternoon is for action. I arrive at work at 9 a.m. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. First, I check my emails and answer the important ones. I write a to-do list for the day. This helps me stay organized and focused. Sometimes work is hard. Let's talk about that. Sometimes I feel a little stressed or busy. When I feel tired, I take a short break. I stand up, walk around, and drink some water. At 1 p.m., it is finally lunchtime. I usually eat a sandwich or a salad. I like to eat slowly to enjoy my food. After lunch, I go back to work until 5 p.m. I finish my tasks and close my laptop. I feel proud of what I did today. The sun goes down. The energy changes. It is time to relax. I arrive home and take off my shoes. This is the best moment of the day. I change into comfortable clothes immediately. I go to the kitchen to prepare dinner. I like to cook simple, healthy meals. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day and share stories. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean up. Then, I sit on the sofa to relax. Sometimes I watch a movie or read a book. I try to avoid social media late at night. The house is quiet now. It is 10:30 p.m. I am getting sleepy. My eyes feel heavy. I go to the bathroom to get ready for bed. I brush my teeth one last time. I get into bed and pull up the warm blanket. I turn off the lights. The room is dark. Before I sleep, I practice Thoughtlish. I ask myself one question. What was the best thing that happened today? I think about it, and I smile. I close my eyes and drift to sleep. Good night. You see, you just lived a whole day in English, from the first light of morning to the last thought at night. Here is your challenge for tomorrow. Don't just memorize these sentences. Use them. When you wake up tomorrow, say out loud, I am waking up. When you pour your coffee, say, I am pouring coffee. Become the narrator of your own life. If this video helped you visualize your day, please subscribe to Thoughtlish and tell me in the comments, what is your favorite part of the day? Morning or evening? I read every comment. Thank you for watching. Stop translating, start thinking. See you in the next video.